Yale smart home alarms are built with you in mind, allowing you to arm, disarm, configure and control your home alarm system all from your smartphone. Yale smart home alarms come with wire-free components already linked to the Smart Hub, which makes installing your alarm quick and easy. Before installation, please note that the smart home alarm is for use in homes with a broadband connection. Homes with a router require one free wired network port. First off, unpack all of the devices. Dependent on which smart home alarm kit you have purchased, you will have a variety of accessories. Remove the siren cover and turn the power switch on. For the other accessories included in your kit, for example the keypad and PIR, please pull out the plastic tabs. This will activate the batteries. If you have purchased additional accessories to go with your kit, please refer to your manual to find out how to learn these into your existing system. There is a rechargeable battery inside the Smart Hub that serves as a backup in case of a power failure. To activate, remove the rubber battery switch cover and locate the battery switch. Use a flathead screwdriver to turn the internal battery on and replace the rubber cap. You will then be required to plug in the Ethernet cable along with the mains power cable. You will then need to plug the other end of the Ethernet cable into your broadband router and the green light should come on. Once all of your kit is activated, ensure your phone is connected to the internet and then download the Yale Home System app on your iPhone or Google Play if you're an Android user. Add yourself as a new user and walk through the simple registration process on your smartphone. Before proceeding to mount the devices physically, check that the Smart Hub will receive the system radio transmissions by doing a simple radio range test. Log in to your Yale Home app. Click on the menu, select Tests, then select Walk Test. Hold the devices in the desired location and press the test buttons. For instance, on the keypad, press button 8 and 9 together for 1 second. Please refer to your alarm manual for further information on what buttons to press. If the radio signal reached the Smart Hub, it will show up on the screen. The radio signal strength is shown by a bar next to the device name. The stronger the signal, the better the performance. Once they are in a good location, mount the accessories using the sticky pads or screw provided. To mount the siren, use the backplate to mark the wall as a guide in the desired location. Drill and fit rawl plugs and screw in place before replacing the front cover. Your new Yale Smart Home Alarm Kit is now installed. For more information on the Smart Home Alarm System, go to yale.co.uk/smart-living.